Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 19th, and this is my morning forecast for gold. So, also, before we get started, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, to get access to all the benefits listed below and more. So, anyways, gold is starting to push down a little bit today, and if it does break this low right here, this structure, then the first thing I would do is know my Fibonacci from this low to this low, the Fibonacci retracement, and I would look potentially for, even if it does break structure, I would definitely look at it as potentially another correction within an uptrend, because on the much higher time phase, we are right in between two Fib levels. I think there's a very good chance it will hit this 278% Fib, which is right around the $3,070 area, all the way up here. Even if we do get a little bit of a pullback on shorter time frames, I'm definitely going to continue to be very, very bullish, and I'm going to continue to look for logs at least up to this 278% Fibonacci extension, which is actually an extension from like the weekly, monthly time frame. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, you kind of got to zoom in a lot, or you got to kind of go down to like the 15-minute time frame. And I'm definitely looking for longs. So if it does make a one, two, three-way pattern down to any one of these fib levels and then make an impulsive move to the upside, I definitely would go long again. But going long at the end of any pullback you've seen for the last several weeks or maybe even several months has been an amazing strategy. And until the higher daily time frame and up give us a reason to think otherwise, I am definitely going to continue to recommend logs at the end of any Fibonacci level bounces I see, especially if they really are three-wave pullback Fibonacci bounce and golf and move to the upside, which is what we are looking for every single day. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.